Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southeastern Kankakee County in northeast Illinois until 9:45 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Clifton to Buckley and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Shabanson Buckley around 8:45 p.m., Cissna Park around 8:50 p.m., Claytonville around 8:55 p.m., Aroma Park around 9:05 p.m., Momence around 9:25 p.m., Watseka around 9:30 p.m., St. Anne and Hopkins Park around 9:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.